Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the beginning of this video. I'm really excited right now to be opening this with you. So yeah, here's the iPhone 7 Plus. I got it in black. It's 128 gigabyte. So I'm pretty excited to open this right now with you guys. Let's go ahead and open it. Designed by Apple in California. I really don't want to bore you guys with this because I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of unboxing videos already. But wow, this feels so nice. Oh my god. We have the... Hold on, we'll go back to the phone in a little bit. That phone looks amazing. The power brick. Let's see, are these the AirPods? I'm just kidding. These are the earphones with the lightning connector, the adapter. So you could use your old headphones or your auxiliary cord, I believe it is. Alright, let's set that aside and check out the phone. My gosh, this looks super nice. Let's take that off. I'm literally like shaking right now because it's so nice. Like, I'm not kidding you. It's really nice. It's so nice. Like, look at that camera. Like, just look at it. It's super nice, you guys. In person, it's just like, oh my god. But anyways, let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm really excited to use the camera. It has a wide angle and a telephoto lens. And there it is, you guys. Boom. We're right in. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the iPhone 7 unboxing. Please subscribe and remember, most importantly, so I'm gonna be giving these two phones away. Stay tuned. I will try to give away the iPhone 7. All you have to do is subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends, with your family, or whoever wants to win an iPhone. 2 iPhones, possibly an iPhone 7. I'll let you know. Follow me on Twitter, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Snow, come here. Tell them to subscribe. Snow, tell them to subscribe. Come on, don't be shy. Tell them to subscribe.
Too late. 5, 4.